Let's explore on how to turn off YouTube Shorts on PC. Let's begin. Okay, so to begin with, YouTube Shorts are very entertaining and inspiring for a lot of viewers, but the problem is some of them poses a threat, and concerned parents wanted to protect their children from online dangers or distractions. So if you wanted to disable shorts on YouTube in any device, I suggest you go here and log into your Google account first. And from here, all you're gonna do is hover down to Chrome Web Store. You can actually use any type of browsers, but I prefer using Chrome. And then when you hover down to Chrome Web Store, all I'm gonna do is type in there's a lot of extension that you can choose. Hide YouTube Shorts, Shorts Blocker, No YouTube Shorts, Better YouTube Shorts, Auto YouTube Shorts Color. Say for example, we wanted this one. This is the best way to disable YouTube Shorts on any device, especially on your browser extensions that blocks shorts across the sites. And again, it's available for most type of known browsers, such as obviously Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. And these extensions will remove the shorts section from the homepage, as well as hide short videos from other pages. And of course, they will also prevent short videos from auto-playing when you scroll through the YouTube app on your mobile device. And all they're gonna do is just add it to your Chrome, okay? And the next step that you can do is basically go here at NewPipe. It's a free and open source YouTube client that does not rely on Google's framework or YouTube's API. Basically, it's similar to YouTube Vents, but does not require MicroG or Alt-Daemon to work. And you can use NewPipe without a Google account and enjoy features like ad-free playback, background playback, and offline downloads and more. And again, all you're gonna do is go to newpipe.net and download the latest version of the NewPipe APK file. And again, go to your device settings and enable installation from unknown sources and install it on your device. As you can see, these are the supported services: YouTube, PeerTube, SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and MediaCC.de. All right. And another method that you can use is you can try Mobicip, because it offers a consistent and effective solution. Because when using Mobicip, you can use the app blocker feature to block YouTube or any other app on your child's device. This way, of course, you can keep your child away from YouTube Shorts or any other content you would think is inappropriate or harmful. And if you wish to change your mind, you can unblock the app anytime on a set schedule for when the app is allowed. Okay, now again, from here, to block YouTube on your child's device using Mobicip, basically just download and install on both your device and your child's devices. Sign up for a free trial or a premium subscription on the Mobicip website right here. And again, on your device, go to manage and then app blocker. Choose your child's device from the list and tap on the YouTube app and slide the toggle to block the YouTube app on your device and toggle on if you don't want to block it. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.